This entire forest scene is made in seconds using Blender's powerful geometry node. This is fully customizable and procedural. So let me introduce you to my GeoNode Quick Forest environment, where you can use this GeoNode on any plane surface or a landscape and scatter the entire forest around you. Best part is it is customizable, which grant you many options to change the grass, trees, rocks, and vegetation around the surface. And the best part is it looks pretty stunning, right? Let me show you some more result about this. So here you can see this scene made using that geometry node forest generator, the background forest and the foreground forest. This forest also created using the same. I just changed some assets, and this is the best scene I created using the geometry nodes. Look at this, like pretty dense, pretty natural looking and cool forest. So first I'm gonna add a landscape, which is going to be a planet noise, which I usually use in any my scene because it gives us this amazing looking mesh. You can randomize it, and now we will scale it twice except the z-axis, and I think this is pretty much it. And you go to GeoNode Quick Forest and drag and drop here and wait for few seconds. It will take time, depend on your system. And here you can see, let's turn off overlay so we can see clearly. Already we are get right off the bat a best geometry nodes system of the forest, but as you increase the size, the trees are spawning because the density is low. So what you're gonna do is increase the density to have some more forest in your scene. And you can change the seed if you don't like the look. Some trees are intersecting, so you can prevent that by changing it. Well, in a dense forest you are not gonna see that tree are collapsing each other. So this is how you're gonna get the stunning looking geonode forest. Pretty simple, right? So let me know, download and make. On the ground you need to assign the material separately from here, so that's how I'm gonna show you as well. Let's search for a material, and we got some cool material, so I'm gonna add the material over here. Oh, for that I need a material, and then I can assign the new material. So that's it. See, it's so simple and easy, and you can quickly create any forest you like, and you can change any asset you want. I'm gonna show you the features. So let's go to solid view, and here I'll show you the features. So you can see there are objects you can assign to each of these. Well, I named, but you can use whatever you like. As I used in the big grass density, I used the fern, this fern scattering over the ground. So here you can see the option. The main part is the trees. The trees make the best combo of the forest, so you can use anything. This is from somewhere I downloaded. This is in my asset library, and you can see density is pretty cool. Based on your PC you can use the density. Here you can change any object's density, scale, minimum, maximum, random seed, z rotation, which is randomized, and there is a noise texture pattern between those grass and trees, so you can use that as well. Here you can see, so every option is customizable, every asset is customizable. Let me just change the tree and show you how you can use it. So here I cancel out this and I just pick this new tree, and voila, we got the new forest within just a click. And if you're gonna switch to previous one, select the previous tree, and that's it. It's pretty solid, pretty good. You can use it for cycles, a bit heavy for the render, but you can also use it for EV. Just need to tweak the settings a bit, but you can see the result. The final result will be based on what asset you use. I provided few assets within the with this add-on already. Those assets are from Polyheaven, so you can get more of these assets and play with it. So this is the quick forest generator. And where do you get it? You can get it on a Superhive, which is formerly Blender Market, and you can get it on my Gumroad page, my Patreon, and CG Trader. Currently there is a discount sales going on CG Trader, so you can get it in half of the price, I guess. So go and check it out, and if you make something cool, let me know. I'll give you a shout out on my Instagram channel, and you can join my Patreon for more amazing updates and more in-depth tutorials. See you in the next video.